Hi, I am Janelle from Live It Online Solutions. I would like to show you the Gohigh level dashboard. This is the dashboard and it shows you important metrics and a visual representation such as the pipeline value and the number of opportunities in the pipeline. If you scroll down, you will be able to view a list of tasks manually. Also the lead source reports. In the form builder, you can customize the forms by dragging and dropping various form fields. You can also use custom fields to make forms and customize them for your needs. These leads will be added to your contacts. Stylize your form using custom CSS and make it look however you want to make it fit your style. The email builder allows you to completely customize and produce high-quality email marketing templates. Make your emails match your marketing using stylistic elements, images, and more. With all the features of the email builder, you will enhance your contacts, experience and impression of your business. With high-caliber emails in the funnel builder, you can build custom landing pages with a drag-and-drop customization feature. You can populate your page however you want, using columns, sections, and rows. You can even use the menu element to build out full websites with text blocks, buttons, images for surveys, calendars, pop-ups, and even more. The funnel builder offers endless options for you to build the best funnel for your needs. When you buy the upgrade, you also get access to ready-made templates for you to customize to your needs. The builder also gives you the option to toggle between desktop and mobile views, so you can make sure your funnel page looks good on all platforms. Once you've successfully captured leads, you can view their status in the pipeline. As you nurture leads through various tools, such as automations, you will be able to keep track of each lead's journey down the pipeline. Using triggers, you can structure internal actions and processes that are fully automated. Once set up, triggers can easily move opportunities through the pipeline, add leads to campaigns and much more. Using campaigns, you can automate communications with leads and build on your nurturing process. You can make use of SMS, text messages, emails, auto phone calls, and voicemails. You can also workflows allow you to thoroughly customize your automation processes. You have the ability to combine various actions and triggers to create an automated system. This makes your workflow super efficient. With the workflow builder, you can easily visualize the path of your automation and make any changes or edits to your automated sequences. In the Contact section, you can look through all your contacts and access their information. Additionally, by using the bulk action, you can make various edits and changes to more than one contact record at the same time. If you need to make a pipeline change, add a tag, send an email, or add multiple contacts to a campaign, simply use the bulk actions to quickly and efficiently update your contact records. When leads have replied to campaigns and other messages, the entire discussion for each contact will be viewable in the Conversation section. This section compiles all conversations from across all integrated platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, SMS messages, etc. This also streamlines the nurturing process. Whether it's an SMS or email, you will be able to easily respond to leads all from the same place. Booking appointments with your leads has never been easier. You can create and customize calendars and embed them in your funnels. You can also integrate these calendars with Google or Outlook, whichever works best for you. Once a lead books an appointment, their meeting information will be reported within the Appointments tab. Here you can view all upcoming appointments with leads, and you are also able to edit each meeting as needed. If you need to reschedule or delete a scheduled appointment, you can do so here. Once you've generated leads, You can create review request templates through SMS. You can set up emails and SMS messages to request reviews and ensure a steady intake of reviews and feedback. You can include a link that opens to a Google review page, so the clients can easily leave a review. All they have to do is give a star rating, write a quick review. You just have to click the Send Review Request button and enter the client's information. Once you have started receiving reviews, you can view a record of these reviews in the Reputation tab. You are also able to respond to each review directly from this tab without having to log in elsewhere or navigate out of the software. As you can see, Gohigh Level is the perfect marketing and sales platform. Take